Hey, how's it going, everybody? Another video update on the Bloomfield job we're working on. Cook and Sons Carpentry. Like and subscribe if you like our videos. So last thing I did was, or that you guys saw, was I fixed up those cabinets and got them going a little bit. And so we've been kind of had a little fiasco with COVID and kids' school, passing around the flu and all that kind of stuff. So we've only been here a couple days since then, but we got the cabinets put together and face frames on, and we'll get the drawers made and all that stuff later on. But so it did grow. So we were gonna do those cabinets, and now what we're talking about doing, what we've already kind of started, is they want to move the sink now. So the sink's getting moved from, which was this location. So I kind of did all that for nothing. No big deal, it happens. But so we're moving the sink over here to this side. Let me back up a little bit so you can kind of see. So you walk in right through that door, and then the sink used to be right there, and then dryer, a corner cabinet, and then the washer. Well, that got moved out, and we're gonna put the sink somewhere in there in this location. Let me get the camera there. All right, so yeah, that's that. So then more plumbing. Plumber was here letting us know what he needed to do. He said it's an easy job, so he'll be back off and on this week in between, because it's not a big thing for him, so he's gonna just kind of do it in between other big jobs. So yeah, we still got to finish demoing the tile, but the plan for right now, really I didn't even need to do the cabinets. I could have just kept doing the crown and trim and stuff, but well, some people came and got the pool table that was in here too. That's gone, thank God. That was kind of in the way. We were using it as a workbench or whatever. But anyway, so plan now is to get back on the trim and stuff. I just wanted to get we wanted to get the cabinets out of the way, the big stuff out of the way, because all the sheet goods were taking up a lot of room. And now we got more places to set things. So that's that, and then back on trim, get all the trim and crown up and all that stuff. And then once it's all up, then we'll start doing all the like wood filler and nail holes and caulk and that. And still got to order tile, waiting on that. And they're figuring out countertops and sinks, so it's going pretty good now. We're finally in like I think we're done changing things. I don't think there's anything left to change. If you guys like the videos, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.